Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix downloading necessary game data not working in Mortal Kombat Mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search here Mortal Kombat and uninstall the game. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings of your smartphone, and then you need to go into the app management, and then you need to go into the app list and search here Play Store. Okay, once you search that, you simply need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache and clear storage. Then you need to click on three dots in the top right and click on uninstall updates, and then you need to click on OK. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for Mortal Kombat, and then you need to click on install. After that, your issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.